Hello ladies and gentlemen, it's Carl and we're back for a new how to install ModMaker Basic video. It's been requested for quite a long time, and yeah, so let's get straight into it. There's four things you're going to need. You're going to need Java JDK, ModLoader, MCP, and obviously ModMaker Basic. Now, a few things I want to point out is that if you want to go, just quickly check. If you go onto the Elongia website and go on ModMaker Basic, at the moment, when I'm making this video, it is not available for download yet, but it should be when the video is released. So yeah, so if it's not available for download yet, then I guess you have to you're gonna have to wait for a bit, or yeah, but do check that out first. The link will be in the description, and yeah, so let's get started, and hopefully it is available for download. So the first thing you want to do, obviously get MCP, Java JDK, ModLoader, and Minecraft. ModMaker, sorry. So I'm gonna show you how to get MCP. I'm gonna show you how to get all of these four, because last time a lot of people are having trouble getting Java JDK, so you know, I'll show you how to do it. So just go on Google, type in Java JDK. You want to click on a keyboard tripping. God damn, God tripping. So yeah, you want to type in that. Bring this up and scroll down till you find Java SE6 update 32 and download the JDK. It'll come up with this. Just accept and then choose obviously your operating system. In this case mine will be Windows 32-bit here, but yeah. So choose the one you want and yeah, download it. Now I'm not going to download it because I've already got it, but yeah. The next thing, go back on Google and type in Minecraft Coder Pack, top one, and scroll down till you see MCP 6.x and just download this one. Yeah, I'm not going to download it again because I've already got it. Next thing, go back to Google, type in ModLoader, if I can spell, click on the top one, scroll downings, scroll down until you see all load up, and then just download one of these two. And then the final thing is you need to go to Lundj, hope I'm pronouncing that right, sorry if I'm not, lundj.com, and go on to ModMaker Basic, and hopefully there should be a download button, but yeah, if not, then you can still carry on with the installation, so you've got it ready so you can just download, but you can't really use the MCP in Java. You can only think you can install Java JDK, so we'll just carry on, assuming that it is available for download. So once you've got all them, you should have four things like this. So the first thing we're going to do is install Java JDK. Now this is, the installation can get a bit confusing when it comes near to the end, but it's fine. So you just want to click next, you know, obviously, but yeah. But yeah, there's a few things when it comes to the setting up MCP. I mean, what setting up the path? It can be a bit confusing. Last time, if you did try to install the old one, a lot of people did delete the path, and yeah, it's not a good thing. So anyway, I'll wait for this to install, and okay. Well, it's got to be done anyway. So yeah. Alright, we're back in a sec. Alright, so it did its thing, and yeah. So again, just click next. Dude, click next. Alright, so now it should install fully. Again, I'll let it do its thing. I'll be back with you in a second. So yeah, bye. Alright, so that installed, and just click finish. And now for the hard bit. What you need to do is bring up. No, that's not what you need to do. You need to go on Start, right click Computer, Properties, and scroll down till you see Advanced System Settings. Click that. In the bottom there should be Environmental Variables, and now you need to scroll on this bit, System Variables here, find Path, which is here. Now here at the end of this, you need to place your Java JDK path. Now we need to find that. So bring up File Manager and go onto your computer and Program Files and find Java and find the JDK 6.0 underscore 32. Open that. Then go into bin, and this is Java JDK, and click at the top, and it will highlight, and just copy, and at the end of this, you want to put a semicolon, and then you want to paste the path which you just copied. Then you want to OK. Now the path generally for Windows 32-bit is just in Program Files, but if you're using Windows 64, can be in the any Program Files. You just want to make sure that it's called JDK, not this. Make sure it's JDK. But anyway, if you now want to make sure it's installed correctly, so click the Start button and type in CMD, enter, and it should bring that up. And just put Java C. And if all of this information comes up, it's installed, or you've done the path correctly. If it doesn't, then it's not, and I suggest that you go back and make sure you've got the correct file bin thing. But anyway, once you've got that installed and its path is done correctly, you can just get rid of that now. We don't need it. Next thing is to get ModMaker Basic into file. So we'll just extract to this, and then we can delete that now. So now I need to open up this and open up MCP that we downloaded previously, and in the MCP folder I want to copy all that into there. like so. So you want to extract the mod maker basic WinRAR into a file, and then go into the MCP folder and extract MCP into there, and then we can delete that. Okay, so the next thing you want to do is make sure you have a new Minecraft installation. So a new Minecraft bin. So easy way is, if you do have mods installed, you want to just make a backup of your bin. But if you're not really bothered, then here's mine. But you just want to go options, force update, done, and then log in, and it should update. Yeah, so back and set. Alright, so once you've updated your Minecraft, you want to make sure that the bin and the resources folder go into the jars folder of MCP. What I mean by that is, you want to go to start, run, and then type in %app data %. Now this should bring up this the app data roaming, and you just want to go into .minecraft. With my mouse, I'd like to click it, and you want to copy the bin and the resources folder into ModMaker MCP jars. So like so. Alright, so the next thing you want to do is go into your MCP jars where you've just put your Minecraft bin, go into the bin, then right click the Minecraft jar, open with WinRAR, and now what you want to do is go into the mod loader, which you downloaded earlier, and you want to drag all of these into your Minecraft jar, and then make sure you delete the meta-inf. And then you're good for the next step. Okay, so once you've got your bin and your resources folder of your Minecraft .minecraft folder, you just want to go back into MCP and run decompile. So yeah, you just need to run decompile. This will come up. It will do its thing, and yeah, shouldn't take too long. Now it should come up with 2 out of 2 hunks failed. Don't worry about that, that's normal. I'll show you in a second. If it would like to hurry up. So yeah, once we've done this, we're done, and you can open up ModMaker Basic and have fun doing what you're doing. If you have come across a lot of errors or any problems with the installation, or you didn't understand, see it says 1 out of 1 hunk failed, and you didn't understand installation, leave a comment. If you came up with errors or something's not right, then there's a few things you can do. You can leave a comment if it's quite a simple one, but if it's like an actual error with ModMaker, then you can go on the website, and you can email them or tweet UWOP, the creator, with your errors. But yeah, it's all on the website. If we go on to, what is that? I don't even know what that was. If we go into Lunge, and we go on, no, wait, Yep. Yeah, so you can tweet them and stuff if you have any problems, or you can ask a question about it and do other stuff. So yeah, it's all on the website. If you have any problems, that you can you know, do stuff, ask questions, etc. And the website is www.laundry.com. Alright, so that's done. Just press any key, continue, and now we just go back into ModMaker, run ModMaker basic, and it should just come up. If it comes up saying update, just click update and it should carry on. Yeah, so there we go. It's fairly simple, it's quite straightforward, but if you want me to make videos on how to do blocks, items, recipe generation, I will do, but it's fairly straightforward, you know. The textures is just 16 by 16 picture on Photoshop or Paint. So anyway guys, that's been how you install ModMaker. Hope it helped, and yeah, see you guys later. If you have any questions, leave a comment.